In front of me is iPhone 16 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness. You need to begin by launching device's settings and scrolling down to access display and brightness. Then scroll down again and click on this switcher next to True Tone feature, located under brightness slider. As you can see, my switcher is green, which means that True Tone is enabled. To disable it, hit the same now green switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!